Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is a freaking beautiful November day here in Washington. I'm in the Gifford Pinchot National Forest here at Mount St. Helens, and I'm doing a little trout fishing today. So I know my last video finally got my first salmon. It was awesome, but this weekend weather was supposed to be nice. We got the Orvis purple edition of the Hydros reel here. Hydros 2 on the Recon 5-weight. Yeah, just exploring today. Haven't been able to do this because the Jeep's been giving me problems, but we're gonna go catch some rainbow trout. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you when we get on the water. So, this is the rig we're going to be starting with. We've got a sort of like streamer, weighted streamer, up to a small little purple haze beadhead nymph, up to a barrel swivel, and then topped with an indicator. So, this is just what I had on last time from way back when. I haven't even used this rod since I've been out here, so don't know if it'll work, but that's why you bring different flies, so I can change it up if I want to. Alrighty, y'all. We are freaking bundled up, ready for adventure. The Jeep was perfectly clean this morning, and then I found a mud puddle. Just a small one. I'll get it muddier, I promise. Let's get this adventure started. Ooh, but first, we gotta do the look back. God, what a beautiful rig. I think this little pool right here will be our quick first drift, and then we'll just keep working our way up. See how far we get. All right, we're switching up already. This rig is definitely not gonna do the trick. So let's make a quick change of flies. Just need to change the bottom fly. I just know there's no chance of fish being that interested in something moving that fast. So I'll be right back with you. All right, switched up the rig a little bit. So now we've got our little split shot on top of a swivel. Under the swivel, we have our little purple haze beadhead nymph, and then about a foot below that we've got this ugly big green scud with a big beadhead on it to get it down fast. So water is super swift. We'll see if that does a better job of presenting itself to these fish. I'm also going to move my indicator down a little bit, let it run closer to the split shot, see if we can't get a better drift here, and then we'll continue moving up. That looked like a fish. All right, definitely like how that sits better, so strap everything back up to the backpack and keep on moving up. Oh, here we go. This is our first good looking pool. Nice deep water, some bedrock down there. Try and sneak our way on in and make a good cast. It's impossible to tell what's going on over there in that current seam. No idea what my indicator's doing. It's just stuck in a really strong eddy. All right, first catch of the day, a beautiful tree fish. Yeah, we're gonna hop on out, take a look further up, see if there's better fish habitat a little further up. This is all pretty quick water for the trout that I'm looking for. All right, so this is way more ideal. Fast water into a deep step pool. This should be fishy. If I don't get a fish in here, then it might be time to change my flies. That's how confident I am that there should be fish in this section. That should have been the cast. Maybe there just aren't fish in this creek. Yeah, that sounds silly. There's got to be fish in here. I mean, look at this water. It's freaking beautiful. Dang. I mean, look at this water. This is like fly fisherman's dream right here. I mean, guys, if there was trout in here, I would be getting a hit here. 100%. 100%. I'm getting nothing. No nibbles. No anything. Light line using 5X. I mean, we should be catching fish right here. Might be a bust of a creek for fishing. Or I'm just really doing something very wrong. Normally fishing these small creeks, you got a good visual on some fish, reaffirming your thoughts about where you're fishing. Here it's like, I haven't seen anything. All right, we're gonna hike on out, check out a different river, because I'm getting nowhere here. Well, this is a bit of a change in scenery. Holy crap, this is huge. All right, this does look a lot more promising over here. So we'll fish this for a little bit, see if anything is willing to eat. And then we'll hit the road. But yeah, not gonna just leave when there's still good looking water to fish. And the issue is, all this looks good. It's just a lot larger water than I was expecting. Come on. This water over here has got to be holding fish. I mean, it's deep, it's slow. It's a good break from their normal current. Ah, snag. That ain't gonna come off. Oh yeah, it is. Oh yeah, it is. All right, this is the last spot. We're up over by that deep log that I noticed. Sure enough, there's beautiful slack water out here. Really deep off this log and rock combo. Man, I can't believe I don't see any fish down there. Like, it's very surprising to me. It's rough.